draw something like capsule. So drawing a straight lines, and here you can see a straight line, and then we are going to connect the whole lines like this. And here also you can see another lines, this connection. Okay, so we are going to divide it into two parts. So later parts, you can see the bottom part has a dress, and minions are always funny, so it's just with a belt connected with the main dress. Okay, and coming up here, the dress is going to be like this, and here you can see another dress like this, and here in the middle just having some some kinds of pocket and a symbol. Awesome. So this dress is just extended here and draw something like the opposite of you, and this is going to be the feet of the minions. So later we're going to put the outlines, and we're going to draw the shoes. So you know the shoes are black, so putting the black shoes here, and putting the black color. Also we're putting the black color on the right side. Okay. And as you know, this guy is always smiling, so let's put a big mouth with a smiley shape. Okay, and you can see the teeth on the top side. Okay, and few teeth in the bottom. Okay, for the glasses, it has two pairs of glasses on the top. Like you're going to see, I'm drawing the circle right now, and the eyes in the middle, and connecting it with a belt on the sides of the head. So very funny, very nice character. So it's all about some detailed drawings, and the few color combinations. This is how we can just put some comic characters in a real life manner. So you can see the few here grown on the head, and a hand which is just coming from the side and just moving to the upward directions. You can see and the one, and this is extended from the left side to the upward directions. Okay, and having the the gloves, which is the black color. So okay, and another options on the left hand, and right hand is just resting on the waist. So let's put it here, very smaller hand, and just changing here. Okay, and the black gloves you can see just coming from the side. All right, now we're going to use the markers and putting the black gloves a solid color. Okay, and also this hand is going to have a solid color. And the inside of the head and the glass a little bit yellow border, and the whole part of the top portion is going to be the yellow color. So let's put the uniform yellow color for the whole top part. So minions are just all the yellow color, so that's why the color is very important to define a special characters and its funny things which happens to the cartoon all the way. Okay, so those who just seen the minions cartoon, they know the drawing is getting perfect. All right, putting the dress color. Okay, and you can see the dress of the jeans. I'm just putting it in the middle, so it's like wearing a top jeans, and which has a very the thick clothes. Same thing for the hand too. All right, just putting it here. You can see the top portion of the dress. All right, and the sides on the right hand, you can see again putting the yellow color, and just putting the color for the hands left side, also putting the same color for the right side. So looks like he's up to something and he's going to ask something, and putting black color in the middle, and the dark red for the middle side here. So let's use a pencil and putting the dark red inside the mouth. So this character becomes very nicely and very lively visible after we put all the colors, and yeah, it looks good. So those who just see the minions, they know this is a very nice character. And thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. Stay tuned. See you in our next videos. If you want to know more about all other drawings, you can browse through the playlist and select drawings from our thousands of drawing selections categories in different categories. Thank you so much. Have a good day.